It's good for dessert.
Ingredients. Ready to
Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Ynzkie. So for today's vlog, we are going to make some rum balls. So I just want to tell you about the story of rum balls. My aunt from Australia taught me how to make rum balls like a decade ago or something like that. It's good for dessert or for snacks, and nanay likes it. Nanay was asking me to make rum balls for a couple of months now, but I am not in the mood to make one. And just recently, because I found desiccated coconut, I decided to make rum balls. So I don't know where my aunt learned how to make rum balls, but today I'm going to show you how to make one. This is actually good if it's chilled.
Ingredients: raisins, coffee, crushed graham crackers, desiccated coconut, condensed milk, and rum. You can have any kind of rum you want. So these are the ingredients for the rum balls. Rum balls, rum balls. I started making rum balls. Here's, we already soaked the raisins. We'll soak the raisins for 24 hours. We use tanduay because it's the only rum that we can find here. So, but this is also good for fundador and other rums. But yeah, we'll see tomorrow. So the first step is you have to marinate the raisins for 24 hours. You can use any kind of rums. And then after that, we're going to drain the rum. Okay? So we've already drained the raisins from the rum. It will take a few minutes to drain it. And now we're going to mix all these. We'll mix this and then we'll make rum. It's actually easy to make rum balls. It will only take you like 15 to 20 minutes, except for the fact that you have to marinate the raisins for 24 hours. Okay, my aunt didn't give me any measurement, so what she told me is that if the mixture is still soggy, we need to add more crushed crackers. Okay, so we'll do it based on how much the coffee, because this is only coffee that we bought.
before chilling